Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix the DOOGEE Blade 20 Max touchscreen not responding issue.
Fix 1. Restart the phone. Step 1. Press and hold the power button. Step 2. Tap Restart. Step 3. Wait for the phone to reboot. Fix 2. Clean the screen. Step 1. Turn off the phone. Step 2. Wipe the screen with a soft, dry cloth. Step 3. Remove screen protector if damaged or thick. Fix 3. Remove case and accessories. Step 1. Remove the phone case. Step 2. Disconnect charger, OTG devices. Step 3. Test the touchscreen again. Fix 4. Boot into safe mode. Step 1. Press and hold power button. Step 2. Tap and hold power off. Step 3. Select safe mode. Step 4. Check if touch works. Uninstall recent apps if yes. Fix 5. Update system software. Step 1. Open settings. Step 2. Go to System Software Update. Step 3. Download and install updates. Fix 6. Reset app preferences. Step 1. Open settings. Step 2. Go to Apps, reset app preferences. Step 3. Restart the phone.